Well, good hump day to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Oh, the mercy. If you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on, and you know it's going to be something, I thank you for coming back. But I'm here to tell you it is 86 degrees here in East Central Mississippi. It's almost like summertime, even though we're in the spring. The weather is beautiful. But gracious, what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is I'm going to bump some gums with you, and I'm going to give you a little update on the seedlings and the system that I am using to grow them with. So give me a second, and that's what we finna do. All right, let's peep it out. I had quite a few questions as far as the system that I'm using to grow my seedlings, and this is just a do-it-yourself seed starting rack. I actually got my other 4-foot full spectrum LED light in, so the experiment on the seeds is going to start. I moved up some sunflowers and some squash to this level underneath these 2 sets of 4-foot full spectrum lights, LED lights, as well as my marigolds and my black-eyed Susans. Down here I have my maida plants underneath just the regular 4-foot shop lights with the alternating bulbs of cool white and warm white. Also went with 2 sets of fans to blow some air along these seeds. What I failed to mention is, Dan, how long do you run the lights? Well, I run these lights, both sets of lights, I'm going to run them for 12 hours. I have a black rain timer, and it is running this switch right here that's got all of my lights hooked into it, as well as the fans. I need to fix that. But these guys run for 12 hours. I started at 1800 in the evening, and they go off at 06 in the morning. Now what I did is I took a little bitty small video last night, because I try to upload my videos about 5:30, 5:45, so the lights weren't on, but I wanted to show you what they look like illuminated. So I'm gonna put that little video up. All right, y'all, I wanted to give you a little shot of the grow stand. I actually have the full spectrum LED lights up and running, and I also have the 4-foot shop lights with the cool white and the warm white bulbs installed. So now we're going to get our experiment on. I have some squash and some sunflowers. I also have some black-eyed Susans and some marigolds right here. I also have some fans blowing on it, and down here, I think I showed y'all this, that's all my maters. And we have a fan blowing on that. I'm showing you this because these lights come on at 1800 or 6 p.m. and they shut off actually at 06 or 6 a.m. in the morning, which is out of the realm and the timing of my videos. But I wanted to show you what it looks like right now. It is 18:15 or 6:15. So these guys are gonna get light and some wind for 12 hours. So I wanted to share that with y'all. All in all, the lights are working out great. My seedlings are looking nice, strong, and healthy as compared to last year. It wasn't worth the Duke last year, but I certainly have a bunch of more seeds started. I have some yellow pear tomatoes that I started from my uncle. I also have, let's see, I think I have some poblano peppers that I started in here, and something else, some more sunflowers, I think. I think I see something sprouting there. I'm gonna have to check that out. That's what's going on with that. And again, I'm gonna start the experiment now and see how these plants grow under 2 different light environments. The full spectrum LED light and just the regular cool white and warm white bulbs. I think it's gonna work. Just don't know which one is gonna grow the best. Probably both gonna grow about the same, but we'll see. So I had a few folks ask me about how long do I run the lights, and that's 12 hours. And I also run the fan. The fan is plugged into that power strip as well as the lights. So the fans come on for 12 hours as well. Actually, I talked to Mr. CB over at CB's Greenhouse and Garden because he runs fans on his seedlings as well. And I asked him, you know, how long does he run his fans? And I kind of thought he was going to say the same thing that I was going to ask, and it is. He runs his for whatever the duration of time that the lights stay on for. The fans are blowing the same time the lights are on. Let's see. Oh, I also wanted to make mention that this weekend is the annual Ham Jam Festival in Philadelphia, Mississippi. Hopefully I can get some video of it. What you and y'all have probably noticed is old Dan has started uploading videos pretty much every other day. So Friday, today's Wednesday, so Friday would normally be a day that I upload a video, but I'm going to be working. I'll probably be working Thursday night, Friday night, and Saturday night. So y'all probably will not hear from me those days, but I'm going to try to get something up video-wise to share with y'all on Sunday. And that may be some just some walking around during Ham Jam. And all it is, it's a festival in Philadelphia. And it is a bunch of vendors that come in. There's a bunch of live music, things of that nature. And there's also a barbecue competition that goes on as well in Ham Jam. And if I'm not mistaken, this barbecue competition is sanctioned by Memphis in May. So they have some pretty serious barbecue guys that come down and get their cue on, and it's judged, and there's trophies and things like that. But anyways, I will try to get some video up. Probably be like, why is this police officer walking around with a camera in his hand, video and everything? But I'm going to try to get some video up of that to share with you and y'all. Hope everybody is having a sure enough good Wednesday and a safe one. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan referee sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on, I guarantee you it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.